Here we are again in the Blue Hills. Yesterday was so successful, and since I'm going to hike anyway, I might as well do my warm-up with you. And it's not a bad idea to warm up before you do a big hike. So here we are, right at the trailhead, and then I will shoot again from the top and do a check-in. So for you, if you have a trail, I think you have Indian Run, you can go down to the creek. Try to do that today. It's so pretty there. And if not that, at least go into the yard and enjoy the trees. Maybe go to Emerald Parkway and see the new park there, cross the bridge. Lots of good things to do. Okay, keep going. Keep going. You can hear the automotive traffic because the trailhead is right on a main street, but soon I will be up in a mountain. Good. Okay, so now let's just do a calf stretch. Got a nice tree here that I can stretch against. Other side. Good. That feels great. Then we're gonna do our lunges. Wide-legged lunge. Nice. Other side. And try to get wide enough that you're really getting a stretch also. It's not just the lunge, it's the stretch as well. Good. And then we're gonna do the forward lunge on both sides. Just prepping your quads for a big hike. Nice. And then we're going to do our hamstrings next with a standing donkey kick. So I'm holding onto my tree. You can use a chair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm really bringing in my knee high because that's using my abs. So this is sort of a modification of this exercise. It's a little bit easier because we're using the tree for support. Now we're going to use the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. I will see you at the top, okay?